Hello everyone, and welcome to Math Menders Academy. We're so glad you're here today, because we're about to dive into something truly exciting: multiplication. Have you ever thought about what multiplication really is? Well, it's actually a super clever way to do repeated addition. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Imagine we want to figure out what 3 multiplied by 4 is. This simply means we're going to add the number 3 for times. So we'd say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And when we put all those together, what do we get? That's right, 12. So we can confidently say that 3 times 4 equals 12. Isn't that neat? You did a fantastic job understanding this core idea. Superstars. Now that you got the hang of it, we're ready to explore how to multiply even bigger numbers step by step. Get ready for more fun. Thank you so much for learning with us today. We truly appreciate you being a part of our academy. If you enjoyed this lesson, please consider following us for more amazing math adventures. Now, we are going to learn how to multiply 2-digit numbers by a 1-digit number without carrying. Let's begin with example 1. 21 multiplied by 3. First, we arrange the numbers correctly according to their place values. Tens under tens and units under units. We always start from the units column. 3 times 1 equals 3, so we write 3 in the units place. Next, we move to the tens column. 3 times 2 equals 6, so we write 6 in the tens place. Therefore, 21 multiplied by 3 equals 63. Excellent work, superstars! Now, let's try another example. In example 2, we want to multiply 32 by 2. We begin from the units column. 2 times 2 equals 4, so we write 4 in the units place. Next, we multiply the tens digit. 2 times 3 equals 6, so we write 6 in the tens place. Therefore, 32 multiplied by 2 equals 64. Amazing job! Now let's look at example 3. 14 multiplied by 2. We start from the units column. 2 times 4 equals 8, so we write 8 in the units place. Next, we move to the tens column. 2 times 1 equals 2, so we write 2 in the tens place. Therefore, 14 multiplied by 2 equals 28. Fantastic work, superstars! You're becoming multiplication champions step by step. Now, we're going to learn how to multiply 2-digit numbers with carrying step by step in a fun and easy way. Let's look carefully at example 1. First, we arrange the numbers according to their place values. Tens under tens and units under units. We always begin from the units column. Multiply 4 by 3, and that gives us 12. We write down 2 in the units column and carry 1 to the tens column. Next, we multiply 4 by 2, and that gives us 8. Then we add the carried number 1, making 9. Therefore, 23 multiplied by 4 equals 92. Excellent work, superstars! You're becoming multiplication champions step by step. Now, let's move to example 2. First, we arrange the numbers according to their place values. Tens under tens and units under units. We begin again from the units column. Multiply 3 by 6, and that gives us 18. We write down 8 in the units column and carry 1 to the tens column. Next, we multiply 3 by 3, and that gives us 9. Then we add the carried number 1, making 10. We write down 0 in the tens column and carry 1 to the hundreds column. Therefore, 36 multiplied by 3 equals 108. Amazing job, superstars! You're becoming multiplication geniuses. Now let's look at example 3. For 7 multiplied by 2. First, We arrange the numbers correctly according to their place values. Tens under tens and units under units. We start from the units column. Multiply 2 by 7, and that gives us 14. We write down 4 in the units column and carry 1 to the tens column. Next, we multiply 2 by 4, and that gives us 8. Then we add the carried number 1, making 9. Therefore, 47 multiplied by 2 equals 94. Fantastic work. Superstars! You are learning multiplication with carrying step by step like real math champions.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught